Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Wanazira binti Muhammad Rusdi. My metric number is F24A1075 and I'm a student of SBF. And today I will present a poster based on the article by Robert R. Wolf, which is the first article that I choose. My poster title is Milk Proteins and Health in a Biochemical Perspective. The article highlights how milk proteins are especially important in promoting muscle health, strength, and recovery in older adults. This poster also links the article's content with what I have learned in week 7 of biochemistry class, particularly on amino acids and proteins. Wolf also explains that as a people age, they experience a natural loss of muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. To prevent this, elderly individuals need higher protein intake, and milk protein is one of the best such due to its high quality and digestibility. In Biochemistry Book 7, I learned that proteins are structural levels, which is primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Whey is globular protein, which means it's soluble and quickly digested, while casein, on the other hand, forms molecules stabilized by hydrophobic bonds and calciums. The article is emphasized that elderly people need more protein than younger adults because their anabolic response is reduced. This means they need a greater amount or better quality of protein to achieve similar muscle building results. So, they need a lot of milk proteins. Milk proteins help maintain lean body mass, support bone health, and also enhance immune functions. Before reading this article, I assumed that all proteins work the same regardless of the source, but now I understand that protein quality, structure, and digestion speed significantly affect how the body uses them. In conclusion, Wolf's article and this poster show that Wolf's article provides strong evidence that increasing milk protein intakes can support muscle health.